For today's to the point topic, we're going to talk about a problem I had yesterday, which was easy to fix, but it took me 3 hours to figure it out. And that is, this first rectangle represents where my laser was framing, but then as soon as I started cutting, it would shift over and cut this rectangle. So I went through researching firmware upgrades. I went through the forums. Other people had similar problems, but not exactly what was happening to me. So I'm going to show you a short video clip, and you can see what was going on. Here you go.
So to demonstrate the problem that I was having, this box represents where the laser head will frame. And then we'll see how far off of that it moves for the cut. So we'll frame it. And the box is pretty close to accurate. So now I'll hit cut and we'll see what happens. And you can see that the cut shifted over and it's nowhere close to where I wanted it to be. Well, there is a setting, and I knew about it way back when I first started laser cutting, but I guess my old brain forgot. And I spent 3 hours trying to figure this out. I'm going to show you where the setting is just in case this happens and you won't have to waste your time.
So like I said, I went through the forums. I tried everything I thought I could try. And then at some point, I clicked on device settings here. And right here, there is a laser offset. And all I needed to do was turn that off. And as soon as I saw it, I remembered when I first got my laser, I came across it, I turned it off, and how it got turned back on, I don't know. Something done it, maybe gremlins, something, I don't know, but it did. And as soon as I clicked that, and you can see that the offset is 16 millimeters, and this, we'll grab our ruler and measure, and there we are. Look at the segment length, 16 millimeters. So hopefully this will keep you from having to spend 3 hours to figure that out. So if it happens to you, that's what you need to do. Just go to device settings and be sure that your laser offset is turned off, and you'll be good to go. And that wraps up today's To The Point topic.